Well, hello everyone. It's Karynjean. Welcome back to the studio. And for this flip through of our recipe journal, which is for sale in the Etsy shop. It also comes with a separate piece. This book measures 6 inches across by 8.5 wide with 1.5 inch signature spine. It has 3 signatures for a total of 120 pages. I love this. I love this journal. It's just so much fun. But first, let's take a look at this. This is an envelope. I don't remember what I'm calling it. Envelope, journalette, whatever. It's just craft envelopes, pockets. It's a pocket journal, right? So we have all these pockets. Each one of these is a pocket, and some of them have pockets on top. And you also have lots of journaling space for note-taking. I have blank recipe cards in here. So, you could stick it in your purse or whatever. Take it with you when you go to the store. If you need to refer to a recipe, you have your recipe with you. You could also put your coupons in here, whatever you like. It's just a fun thing to have. And it measures a little, probably 5 by 7, or maybe a little over, like 5 1/8 by 7 1/8 or something like that to fit a 5 by 7, probably 5 by 7. So it comes with that, but let's take a look and see. And it has the brown gingham ties, and it says a very long tie. A blue ribbon, right? This is from the Saturday Evening Post cookbook that I had. And here we go. Let's get cracking. Inside front cover, we have a pocket with a journaling card from A Sack of Sugar. The signature covers are taken from a recipe calendar that my heating oil company sends me every year. Recipe calendar, so there's something. Coffee dyed pages there. Also some Norman Rockwell fun prints in there as well. And here's another journaling card. We have our little cluster there, little tuck spot, and this is a paper clip. So, and you could see all these tabbed paper clips throughout. You can never have too many of those when you're trying to save a space. So it comes with, and these are from the Saturday Evening Post cookbook. It comes with a lot of recipes in it, as I said, plus room for you to keep your own recipes. Put notes on there if you liked it, if you didn't like it. Put in your how you would change it. Put in your family favorite recipes. However you want to do it. It's just a fun journal. You could make it like a memory book. It's this is the recipe that we made. This is when we ate it. Here are the pictures from it. A lot of fun. Here we have a stacked pocket on a flour sack. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 little tuck spot pockets. Here's a journaling card with a little pocket on front. I love journaling cards with pockets. That just has that little tag in it. We have that one in the back. Here is just a recipe card there. And this is just a tiny little tuck spot thing, which talks about different wildflowers, mistletoe, woodruff, hemlock. Well, you don't want hemlock. What to avoid maybe, right? And that's just tucked in there. Again, cheese souffle, egg was with peppers, cheese souffle surprise. If you've never tried your hand at a souffle, I suggest you do. It's a lot of fun. Here we have a side pocket with a large, look at this, journaling card. It has a belly band on it with this journaling card here made out of the Stash Meyer Lemon tea box. I love this tea. It's a beautiful tea in the morning. And then on the other side, it has this. Now look. Let's see what we got here. This is just, because I know this comes out. I know it comes out. And these are just just little recipes. Basic yellow cake. Just some or bits of recipes. Chilled cheesecake tucks in there. You could write on them, or you can use as the recipes. But nice big journaling card there. Signature center with these envelope double pockets. Oh, got a bump there. So we have a pocket here, right? And a pocket here. And then we have pockets here. And here's a journaling card. there, and journaling and writing space as well. Journaling card made out of butter, right? You find a lot of stuff I use in my own kitchen in this journal. More recipes again. And this, I guess, would be considered more the junk journal. I mean, because this is the flour sack that I cleaned out and put it in here as a journaling page. How neat is that? More recipes, more journaling space. This here we go. Let me open that up. We have a little side tuck pocket here. And then this is a hinged flip out, as you can see, with a large journaling card inside here from the IGA. Talks about cooking lobster. Let's see if I can get it back in there. I'm really horrible about getting stuff back in these kinds of pockets when I take it out. I don't know why. Oh, there. And just one of the tabbed paper clips. And as you can see, they have little labels on them so that you can mark them if you so desire. And here's the reverse side of that with, again, this one is also a flip out pocket, and that's a side pocket right there. So, my goodness, more pockets than you know what to do with. And here is the back of the signature calendar with a pocket, right? That's what I love about these and a recipe. Au gratin potato soup. Oh, I need to buy potatoes. I love potato soup. Our second signature, we have this, I love this Saturday Evening Post Norman Rockwell picture. The husband and wife arguing over breakfast as to who they're going to vote for president. Very apropos in today's day and time. Some apple cake recipe that's kind of cut off. Chocolate cake recipe there. Here we have a recipe taken from the sugar sack, Rocky Road Brownies, which is a journaling card, into a cupcake pocket. When I make brownies, I actually don't make them in a square pan. I make them in cupcake. I put them in cupcake liners. We like them better that way. Macaroni and cheese. That's my problem going through this kind of journal. Yeah, makes one want to go to the kitchen. Makes me want to go to the kitchen. Anyway. So we have lots of stuff. I just love it. I just love it. And here we go. Again, pocket. This is not at this is inside this one is in the signature. It's not the signature cover. And no bake lemon coconut pie recipe. And here is just a couple of pockets there with some journaling cards, recipe cards. You can never have too many recipe cards. Here we have another stacked pocket made out of vellum. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. Here's a very large journaling card. Keep that one in there. Guest check with the coffee rings on it. Journaling card here. That's a signature center. Here we have another pocket with a journaling card there. And journaling space flip up there. Here's the other part of that calendar. Roasted vegetable salad with the pocket. And again, one of our paper clips there. This here is fun. It's on the flour sack. It is 3 envelopes that I turned into pockets. So here's one with the journaling card here, made out of the iced tea mix box, right? So there we have some journaling space. Here's another one with the journaling card. Windowed envelopes, just little tabs here, and another one with the journaling card. Some collage work and lots of journaling space there. And a pie crust recipe, in case you're missing your pie crust recipe. With a side pocket on the back, with a journaling card that has a pocket, of course, with a tag in it. And here we have lots more recipes and space for commenting. Side tuck there, you flip it over. It is a flip out. It's a double pocket here. You have a journaling card here, and you put a journaling card there as well. just made out of grocery sack. Creamy chocolate frosting, apple cobbler, steak roll-ups. In here, pocket journaling card, paper clip, recipes, apple fritter recipe, pocket there. And that just talks about salads and salad dressings, just hints and stuff. And this is another one made out of paper grocery sack. Side tuck pocket with a recipe card. Flip over pocket with a journaling card with a pocket on the back and another journaling card in that. Because I like journaling cards that have pockets and more journaling cards in them. Here is the signature center with the two pockets, envelope pockets like that. Vellum pocket with in an envelope with the recipe card. You see it's also there, the envelope. And I think we're coming to the end here. Some more clusters. Another paper clip, another recipe. Looks like for loin of pork. Another pocket here in February 2022, 2 years ago. And there we go. The end of the book. It's just some decorations. Back cover is a pocket with a journaling card and a recipe card. So, this journal, again, is for sale in the Etsy shop. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and go check out the Etsy shop. See if you can find anything over there that you like. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you soon.